Good day, everyone. This is Profit Online Ozus. On this channel, we talk on entrepreneurship, that's business, on sales and marketing, content creation, motivation, and everything that makes your journey online a success. So if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome. Thank you for always coming back. Don't forget to still like, share, and make a comment on this video. Now, if you are our new friend here, you are just coming for the first time, you are highly welcome. All we need you to do is to enjoy the video. Please like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and then put on the notification bell so that YouTube can update you when we release these valuable videos. Now, in today's video, we want to show you quickly how to pin more than 3 charts on WhatsApp. This is a question people have been asking, and I want to quickly use this opportunity to answer it. So the first thing you do is to go to your WhatsApp. Don't forget, you can only pin 3 charts. You can see 1, 2, 3 on the screen. Now, if you must put another one, what you will need to do is this. The first thing is to go to this place. Now, watch. The first thing is to click the 3 that you want to use. Then you go here. This one is called archive. You click it, and then you will come and select the 4th one you want to actually pin again. Now, after selecting, you will come straight to this place, the pin. Now, let me repeat again. The first one is to come to archive. The second one is to pick the chart you want to pin. The third one is to come to pin. And then the 4th one, immediately you come there, there's going to be something here that will show undo. So, and you will do these things in quick succession. Pa, 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 pa. Now, let me do it for you. So, now watch. I select the 3, and then archive, pick this one, pin it, undo. Can you see now? We now have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me do it again for this one. Select this, select this, select this, select this, archive, select, pin, undo. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We now have 5. Let me do the last one and that will be the end. Watch. Select, 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 archive, click, pin, undo. Can you see how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is how to pin more than 3 charts on WhatsApp. I believe you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe if you are new on this channel, and if you have any question, put it on the comment section. And if you want to connect with me directly, you will see the link in the description box. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.